All right, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 bringing another video, and of course you see me sweating my ass off because I'm out here linked up with my buddy Rodney back here. He's gonna help me install my Catless mid pipes. I don't know if you guys can see it, probably can. So all right, we got the car. Got the car jacked up. Let me get under here. And there are the cats. We'll be taking those off. We'll see how it sounds.
Yeah, I'm lazy. I'll do it the easy way. All right, now I gotta get that hanger. Let's see, I think that's 13s. Yeah, a wrench for that one. Okay. It's been like 2 months since I did mine, so I forgot how to do it. Ow. Oh shit, dropped my phone.
Okay, yep. That's where the mid mufflers were. Right there.
Get up on there, bitch. She turned on me. All right, I just tighten the last two back up there, and you're done. Oh man.
All right, what's up, everybody? You see me, I'm still sweating my ass off. So we just got the Catless mid pipes installed, so we're gonna get it down. We're gonna see how this bad boy sounds. Good YouTube, it's your boy Shaka252. Man, look, I'm back at the crib. I got the Catless mid pipes installed, and I can't help for cheesing, man. This thing sounds ferocious, man. So big shout out to Rodney Dean. He helped me. He has that black Charger Hellcat, man. He helped me put these damn pipes on. It took us about an hour and a half to put them on. But when I tell you this thing sounds crazy, I remember asking Hemi Fam and Albino Rhino, I asked them what did they think about it. They say they loved it. But this thing sounds stupid. Like, it's crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. I gotta. Boy, she sound mean. I know the audio in this video will not do it any justice, man. This thing sounds crazy. And it smells like ass. You can smell that oil burning, you smell everything. I smell gas, I smell everything. But it sounds good. That's all I got. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment. You can like, share, whatever you want to do with the video. And big shout out to the squad, man, the Mopar Savages, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, peace.